Going to go on now and have item number 4. And here we have a group of people who have sold over 5 million albums in Europe alone. Here with a unique presentation of their new single, Venice, are Rondo, Veneziano. From Rondo, Veneziano, huh? That's some name and that's some outfit too. I mean, I could tell you were the one playing the drums.
Yes.
But tell me, do you wear that outfit everywhere you play?
Yes, we usually do.
I mean, with those masks and things like that?
Yes, beautiful to look at, but
They are.
very hard.
Hard to play in, I'm sure they are. Anyway,
Yes.
what do you, I mean, you tour Europe as well, do you?
Yes, we do. We've done a lot of work in Italy, but mostly television work in England.
Smashing.
And promoting our new album, Venice in Peril.
In Peril?
Yeah.
Well, that's a fantastic number, I must say. And what are you going to leave these folks here as a clue?
Well, I've got a kingpin.
A kingpin, OK. That's the clue for you this time. Annette? And what about the rhyme?
It says, this one's a metal container, transport it or it'll remain here.
Again, they're very, very devious when you're standing here, aren't they? Please, ladies and gentlemen, thank Sabra of Rondo, Veneziano. Good luck. Take care. Hurry. Yeah.